In today's video, we are going to show you how to deposit money in Plus500. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, hover on the left side and click the funds. And all you have to do is click the deposit and choose the payment method that works best for you. You can deposit instantly with Google Pay, or use your card for fast and secure payments. Make a fast bank transfer for seamless transactions. You can also deposit easily with a Trustly, or you can go with a traditional bank transfer, safe, secure, hassle-free. You can simply start depositing here by providing all the information needed. And if you want the details by email, you can also send that option. Click this button right here. Now, for example, you wanted to deposit via a card, provide the amount, put in the card number, all of the details, and click the deposit. Please take note that available methods may vary depending on your country. And of course, you need to review any potential processing fees if applicable. After the successful confirmation, the funds should appear in your trading account on the top corner. Please take note that bank transfers may take 1 to 5 business days. Cards and e-wallets are usually instant. But basically, that's it for today's video on how you can deposit money into your Plus500 account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.